Professional effect. 2 built-in 20W full-range stereo speakers on the left and right. 110W silk treble speaker on the top. Support 2 speeds, 33/45 RPM, vinyl record of 10 July 12 and CD play. Classic design. Retro art style design with pure copper horn, featured high quality and sturdy wood base. It is expertly handcrafted by highly skilled artisans with several processes, exquisite and elegant. Occasion be used in hotels, clubs, bars, yoga rooms, home or office decorations or holiday gifts. You can enjoy music everywhere you like, also become the centerpiece and add flair to any room in the house. Creative gift for families and friends. Versatile. This music player comes with Bluetooth connection, 3.5mm audio connection, USB playing, FM radio, vinyl record player and CD player. Size: LXWXH, 302mm by 354mm by 576mm, weight, about 7 kilograms. It is easy to set up, you could install it within 10 minutes after reading an easy understanding manual. You can control this record player both by panel and remote control. Top reviews from the United States. Love this. We got this for our wedding, and the sound quality is a huge bonus. I originally ordered the mini one on accident, and I'm so glad I decided to spend the extra money to get the larger version. It's a beautiful addition to our home and I use it on a daily basis. The Bluetooth feature is amazing. It has amazing clear sound quality for playing records too. Highly recommended.